Hello student, good morning to all of you. Today we discuss some numerical based on potentiometer and Kirchhoff's law. Okay, in which we have first numerical related to the potentiometer. That is two primary cells of EMF E1 and E2 such that E1 is greater than E2 are connected to potentiometer if the balancing length for two cases are 250 centimeter and 400 centimeter as shown in figure. Find the ratio of E1 and E2. Okay, for calculating this, first we understood about the circuit. This is the external source battery which is connected in a potentiometer, and cell E1 and E2 connect in series. In first case, E1 and E2 connected in opposite direction, which means negative terminal of cell E1 is connected with the negative terminal of cell E2. That is, by E1 the current is flowing in this direction and the current is flowing in E1 to A, and in E2 the current is flowing E2 to galvanometer. In this case, the combination is given by first case. Combination of EMF. या इक्विवेलेंट EMF लिख लेते हैं. इक्विवेलेंट EMF is E1 minus E2 because E1 is greater than E2, and in second case E1 and E2 are connected as negative terminal of E1 is connected positive terminal of E2. That is, the potential of these two EMFs or cell are adding. That is, equivalent EMF is E1 plus E2. Okay, now we are going to the comparing of EMF as potentiometer. First application, the balancing length for first case is 250 centimeter. So we have L1 is equal to 250 centimeter and EMF E1 minus E2, and for second case L2 is equal to 400 centimeter and EMF is E1 plus E2. Okay, therefore for first case EMF E1 minus E2 upon E1 plus E2 is equal to L1 upon L2, and we have the balancing length E1 minus E2 upon E1 plus E2 is equal to 250 upon 400. By calculating, we get by 50 we calculate it, we get 5 upon 8. Okay, now by taking LCM, E2 E2 as taking LCM, we get E1 upon E2, E1 upon E2 minus 1, and here E2 as taken as common, we get E1 upon E2 is plus 1 equal to 5 by 8. Now here this E2 cancel by this and we solve the next equations. So we get 8 E1 upon E2 minus 8 and equal to 5 E1 upon E2 plus 5. Therefore 8 E1 upon E2 minus 5 E1 upon E2 is equal to 5 plus 8. Therefore we get 3 E1 upon E2, 8 minus 5 is 3, is equal to 13. Therefore E1 upon E2 is equal to 13 by 3. This is required ratio. Copy this first solution. Okay. Next we have question number 4. Which we solve first. Solution number 4. In the question number 4 we have to find the current in figure in branch EFC. EFC ये वाली जो ब्रांच है ECF, एक तो करंट हमें यहाँ कैलकुलेट करना है, डेट इज I1. Here is also I1, and next we have to calculate the current in FDE. FDE, that is in this branch I2 and I2. Okay. For solving this, first we resolve this figure in the smallest condition. So students, if we going to solve this, so F2E, okay, F2E is one diagonal and F2E is one diagonal in which the battery is connected, and second is this. D and E is the another diagonal. So we first resolve this circuit in the smallest form. Okay. For resolving this circuit, as the Wheatstone bridge, we get this is a 4-volt battery. All are 4 ohm, and here also 4 ohm. Now this is C to D, and now we have DE, DE and CE, and here we have F. Now it will be complete, and now we have to calculate the current in this branch and this branch. Now first we solve by Wheatstone bridge, by Wheatstone bridge. We get R EC upon R CF is equal to R ED upon R DF, which is 4 by 4 is equal to 4 by 4. We get 1 is equal to 1, that is bridge is balanced, and if bridge is balanced, therefore current in ICD is 0. Okay, now because we have a 4-volt battery and the current is divided in two parts, I1 and I2, or we say I1 minus I minus I1, and here is I2, and this is called I, ये I2 हो जाएगा. So we observe, 1 minute, इसको थोड़ा सा सॉल्व करते हैं, then after we understood about current will in the next part. First we discussed on after balancing the circuit. हमें करंट निकालना है F, D, E and this. Okay. Now the bridge is balanced to A, B, 4 volt, this is 4, this is 4, this is 4, this is 4 ohm. ओके, ये वाला पॉइंट है हमारे पास E, this point is D, this point is C and this is F. Now current I is flowing here and it is divided in two parts. One is I1 and one is I2. Okay, because in each branch E, F, E, C, F and E, D, F, the the resistance are connected equal, so current I1 and I2 are also equal. Therefore I1, or we say IFCE equal to IC EDF is equal to potential upon resistance. Now first we calculate the resistance. So students, this first case 4 plus 4 RS1, this is in series, that is 4 plus 4 is 8 ohm, and RS2 which is also in series, 4 plus 4 is 8 ohm. Now R equivalent is equal to 8 into 8 upon, or we say RS1 into RS2 is RS1 plus RS1. This is series parallel combination formula. So R equivalent is equal to 8 into 8 upon 8 plus 8, which we get 44, and this is 16. So R equivalent is 4 ohm. Therefore I1 equal to I2 is equal to 4 by 4, we get 1 ampere. This is the answer of this solution number 4. Copy this. Now current I is equal to I1 or I2 by resistance in one branch, that is, or we say 1 minute, this is I1 and this is I2. Now I1 upon resistance in EDF, resistance in EDF, which is 1 upon 1 minute. Oh, this current I is divided in two parts, that is I1 upon 2, which we get 1 upon 4, 1 upon 2, which is 0.5 ampere. Okay. Now we go to solve question number 3rd. Now we have to find the current in the circuit, and the circuit is shown like this. So student, the one diagonal of the circuit is A to B and second is C to D. So 2 ohm and 4 ohm in series and 1 ohm and 2 ohm in series, and this is the mid diagonal. So we solve this. Solution number 3. In this, we resolve this circuit in the Wheatstone bridge, and we get 1 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 4 ohm, and this is 5 ohm, and here is a battery of 4 volt is connected. This is C and D. This we mark as A and B. Now 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 upon 4, which is 1 upon 2. Therefore bridge is balanced. Okay, so current in CD is 0. Therefore this will not take part in the circuit. So circuit is resolved to a simple circuit in which 1, 2, 3 and 4 1, 2, 2 and 4, these resistances are connected. Now A, B, C, D. So equivalent resistance R12 is 1 plus 2 is 3 ohm, and R24, or we say this is R1, this is R2, this is R3 and this is R4. Therefore R12 and 34 is 2 plus 4 is 6 ohm. Therefore equivalent resistance is R12 into R34 upon R12 plus R34, which is 3 into 6 upon 3 plus 6, which we get RE. R equivalent is 18 upon 9, which we get is 2 ohm. Therefore current I in the circuit drawn from the battery is V upon R equivalent, which we get the 4 upon 2, which is 2 ampere. And if you want to calculate the current in branch, so we find it. Current in branch A, B, C and current in branch A, D, C are equal, and which is divided in two parts, I by 2, that is 2 by 2, which is 1 ampere. ये एक additional हो गया as the previous question, but your answer for this question is till this point. Okay, students, now we understood about the solution number second. In this we have current I which is moving here, and till this current is reaches at this point, so it will divide into I2, that is I minus I1, that is I minus I1. Okay. Okay, I will erase this question. Now, understood about this, which what we have given. So we have given in this question, that is current flows in branch BE. No current is flows in branch BE, that is IBE is 0. Okay. Therefore क्या करना है हमें इसमें, that is using Kirchhoff's law, determine the potential difference between the point A and D when no current flows in the branch BE in the given circuit. Okay, IBE हमें 0 given है, and the current I which is flowing in the circuit is from direction B to A to F to E, D, C, and coming to the big potential battery, this. Okay, so first we are moving in the circuit as per distributing current. When the current is moving from B to A to F to E, and when it is reaches at E, it will divide in two parts. In branch E to B, the current I1 is flowing, and the branch E to D is I1 minus I1, but it is given that I1 is 0, so there is no current is flowing. Here it is 0, so this value is still, after distribution is also I. Therefore in loop E B C D E B C D E. Okay, what we get, 0 into R1, यहाँ पे करंट नहीं है तो ये वैल्यू भी 0 हो जाएगा, बट वी calculate this value, and positive to negative -4, then I current is flowing minus IR, and we reached at point 1 minute, and here in the direction it is +3 and it is 0. So on solving this, what we get? We get here 1 minute, negative to positive, it is negative, and this value is positive. So we get the value of IR is equal to 1 volt. Okay, because on solving this we get 1 minus IR equal to 0. So this will solve, we get this. Now we have A in second case, okay, because this is cancel, ये वाली ब्रांच हमारे पास रहेगी नहीं बिकॉज इसमें करंट जीरो है. दिस वी यूज फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ आई आर विच वी गेट दिस. नाउ all the resistance are in parallel from A, F, D, C, यहाँ पे ये पॉइंट B था, B, A. Now in branch, in loop, A, F, D, B, A, all resistance are in parallel, so we get R equivalent is 2 plus 3 5 plus R, that is 5 plus R, okay, and the current I is flowing in the circuit, therefore, and all the battery in the same sequence, so we get equivalent EMF. It is 4 plus 6 and plus 1, that is 11 volt. Therefore, according to Kirchhoff's law, according to Kirchhoff's rule, we get ये हमारा डायरेक्शन हो जाएगा, डेट इज रेजिस्टेंस है हमारे पास, करंट इज आई एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस इज 5 प्लस आर एंड द वैल्यू इज माइनस, नेगेटिव टू पॉजिटिव हम चल रहे हैं, सो -11 इक्वल टू 0, विच वी गेट 5i plus IR equal to 11. On solving this, 5i equal to 11 minus IR, and we have IR here in first. 5i is equal to 11 minus 1, so 5i is equal to 10. Therefore, I is equal to 10 by 2, which is I is equal to 2 एम्पियर. ये हमारी करंट ड्रॉ होगी फ्रॉम द टोटल बैटरी. ओके, बिकॉज IR is equal to 1. Now we need to calculate potential difference from VA minus VD. Potential difference between A to D. So अगर हम A to D जाते हैं स्टूडेंट, तो we have 1, 2 and 5. That is 5 I plus 1, and which we have 5 into 2 plus 1, which is 10 plus 1 is 11 volt. So this is the potential difference between point A to D. This is your final answer. So copy this and thank you. Today we close till this point.